Hello, my name is John Ratzlaff. This is for FTT 122 SDI. Um, Today is going to be a four-part process. One, I'm going to be showing you how to take the bullet out of a cartridge. We have some dummy cartridges here. I'm going to be using the 7mm Remington Magnum. When we're done with that, I'm going to go over some projectile length, diameter, and some case dimensions. And then part three, I'm just going to draw you the scale of the cartridge component. We'll label a few of those things, and then I'm going to go over and use the scale. These are all things that we've learned in week 7 here. So real quick, I already have this primed, ready to go here. I'm going to put the top on. I'm going to just step outside or step to the side here really quick and actually just get this to come off here for us. Hopefully it goes quick. Right. A few hammer action and got that out here. So real quick, I do just want to let you know that if this was a live cartridge, which it's not, it's the dummy ones that were sent to us, what you'd wind up doing is that in the bottom here would be your bullet and powder, and then we'd put it in our measuring device here, or cup, and then we drop our bullet, and then the powder would come out as well. In here, obviously, right now, we just have the 7mm cartridge itself. The only other thing too is that you'd still have a primer inside, whether it was a fired one or not, and then you can use a primer removal tool to actually take that out. So I'll set the stuff aside here one sec. Real quick, more or less, our big thing that I just want to go over is so our projectile length. So for one, this is a 7mm Remington mag. I'm going to use our micrometer here, and we'll go over our length. I guess I didn't even think about this. I don't know if, the actual overall length, we're actually not going to make that happen here with a 7mm mag. However, what we can do is I do want to go over the diameter. So I'm going to go over the diameter here. And we are coming up with we are right at 0.2. I'm at 0.286. All right, 0.286. We're going to do the rim. We'll do the rim of our cartridge here. And then what we're getting here, we're right at 0.534. Excuse me here. All right, and then let's go up to our neck. These things are a little tricky and just on how you need to hold them, but a little practice definitely will get you to where you need to be. Watching that video earlier this week, he made it look fairly easy on how he was holding that. But we'll get here. All right, so for our neck here, we are looking at I'm right at 0.309. All right, let's do our shoulder here real quick. So our shoulder on this guy, the 7mm mag, is going to be 0.514. All right. So part 3 here, once the measurements, once we have all these things, I need to show you on paper here how we're going to just draw this out. So just to kind of expedite a few things, we're just going to trace around this guy real quick. I'm going to try to make my drawing maybe a little nicer than what our video earlier was showing, but hey, might turn out to be the same thing. You never know. All right, here we go.